Hi, this is Manthan from Scrapingdog.com, and today I have great news. And we have released a sheet add-on, a Google Sheet add-on, through which non-developers can also scrape websites, any website, through our APIs. So we were getting lots of queries from our users, like, do we have a mechanism to scrape data through your APIs and save it to any CSV or sheet, Google Sheet. So from those feedbacks, we released this add-on, and you can I'm going to attach the link of this add-on in the description section below. So once you install this add-on will look something like this. So this is the add-on, and if let's say you want to scrape Amazon from this, once you click on Amazon search scraper, you will get this form, and you have to enter your personal API key. You will get your personal API key from your dashboard. First, you have to sign up on Scraping Dog, and then you will have your own personal key. You can just paste it over here, pass any, let's say, mobiles, the domain of Amazon. I'm using Amazon.com, location as US, and once I click on start scraping, the scraper will, keep populating the sheet like this. See how wonderful it is. You don't need any technical skills now to use scrapingdog.com. You just need an account on scrapingdog, and that's it. You just have to pass these queries, and that's not enough. Like, if you want to scrape like first 5 pages, you can just click on pages to scrape up to 5 and then start scraping, and it will keep on populating the page, this uh, sheet from the first 5 pages of Amazon. uh, Let me just pause it over here and just show you how it completely works at the end. So this is how it actually works, and it will keep on populating the sheet until it reaches the fifth page. And you can even pass the postal code to scrape it. So this is how you can scrape Amazon without any technical knowledge. And we are going to release more and more tutorials on this in future. But for now, if you have any questions regarding any of our API, you can just reach out to us at info@scrapingdog.com.